Welcome to the ARC two-way base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the columns, the base and the spider. You will need a drill with a 5mm Allen key bit and thread lock. Firstly, remove the pre-assembled screws from both ends of the columns. Next, place the columns upright on either end as both have 2 holes. Identify the flat side of the spider and place it face down on top of the columns. Apply thread lock to the screws and place them through the spider and into the columns. Use the drill to gradually tighten the screws. Flip the column over so the spider is face down, grab the base and place it on top, lining up the holes. Lastly, apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. The ARC two-way base is available in a black or white finish, featuring soft radius corners and slim columns. With a max top size of 1400 by 800, it is perfect for both large hospitality dining and office meeting applications.